Dudes with wrenches here, coming in quick on the sidestep. Let's talk about what we're gonna do today. What are we gonna do today? I don't know. Oh, we're gonna do another one of those videos where we talk about something we own. It's might be a trend for a little while. It gets cold in the Midwest, and projects come to a screeching halt. So just do a few little looky-loos. So what we're looking at today is a 1956 COE. She's a grain hauling truck. She's got the little V8, and we're going to talk about her. Maybe show off some just some things. No up front. We definitely lost some footage on this one, so it's kind of pieced together. We'll come back around and talk about it on the end, but for now, let's go check this thing out. All right, let's get going. We're going to end visit. Nope. No, we got a few chores we got to get done. One of which is we got to move this rig back into its winter position, and we got to clean it out first because it's got some branches in it. So let's get this old girl fired up and get it over to where we dump the branches out. Key on, power, clicky. Pump. It's got the squeaky pedal. Clutch. Oh yeah. Get out of gear. Oh, pedal sticking. Got some hand rod action. Yeah, that pedal's sticking right to the dang floor. Might pull a floor pan out again. Lube up that rod. Come on, baby. Rod action. Come on. I think we lost the old gas rod. Well, we were running. Don't even know how. But the old gas pedal rod jumped off. Once you know. Whatever. We'll figure that out. Come on. Anyway, gas rod jumped off. Either our float's sticking or our choke's stuck. So we got to try this part and get a little look-see. This truck's usually really good, but evidently wants to have a problem today. Old stuff will do that to you. Alright. Rod is kind of back in there. Fuel is everywhere. So let's fire her back up, see what happens to the old pig. That's all she needed. I don't know where the old one went. Ta-da! Gas pedal fixed. I mean, that's something. Let's see if she stops flooding gas out. I don't know. We'll see. I think the choke was just sticking on too. That was causing our flood issue. So this little guy right here. He runs good now. One barrel, old fuel, cold-blooded. Moving on. Alright, she's all running again. Pump brakes vigorously until you can feel some vigorous brakes. All the pumping. Maybe add fluid. You don't need brakes. Alright. We don't got brakes. That's fine. Clutch down. Main brake off. First gear. Alright. Let's go reverse. Where's the reverse at on this turd? Been sitting a while. Leaves divots. Oh yeah. She's a runner, boys. I have no idea what's behind me, so don't crush nothing. There's a trailer back there somewhere. Oh no, we're good. Alright. Back to what we're doing. First. Come on now. How's that first? He's a binder and away. Alright, let's get her
around the yard so we can dump these trees.
Now, boys and girls, let's talk about what we've seen. So, she's original. I could tell you a long, drawn-out story of how we acquired this truck. Just no bad decisions came into play. And that's about it. Auctions and money and things were spent. We did drive that truck home almost 2 hours away. No issues. Until we got home and realized the drive shaft yoke was trying to fall out. But at the end of the day, it's one of those things, do you need a 1956 straight truck when you don't use it? Not really, but it's neat. I mean, it's from 1956, you can't beat that. And what are we going to do with it? Well, I'm going to ask you on that one. So just throw out there what you would do with this thing. I mean, for us, we don't know. We've had lots of ideas. You know, I did have a lot of people say Overlander. Yeah, we could find a top kick front differential and turn her into a moving camper. That'd be kind of cool. I'll leave this up to you on this one. So, if you like what you saw, like, subscribe, tell a friend. And like always, have a good day.